Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be going over this Anker Zolo Power Bank. And so with this is a portable charger with a built-in USB-C cable and also a built-in lightning cable. Now I've had my fair share of using different portable chargers before, and this one really does take the home trick when it comes to being super compact, lightweight, and I really like how it has the built-in cables. And so with this is a 20,000 milliampere 30-watt charger where it's able to charge 4 devices at the same time. So if I actually pull out the cables, here we have our lightning cable over here. Then we have our USB-C cable right over here. And then the wiring is pretty well made as far as it not being frayed over time. I can tell they took that into consideration and such. And then if you actually turn it on, you'll see an indicator of how much battery is left on the chargers. Right now it's saying 100%. Then over here, you also have a Type-C import as well, and as well as a USB import on this side also. So this is going to be able to charge or be a battery pack for iPhones, MacBooks, Galaxy phones as well. But with the ability to charge 4 different devices, I plan on using it for like my iPhone, my second iPhone, and also my AirPods. But with this in particular, it's really compact. It's a really nice travel carry-on. And yeah, I mean, if you're in the market for a portable charger, definitely check this one out. It'll take your iPhone from like 0 to 58% in about 30 minutes just because of its 30-watt charging speed. So with that being said, guys, that's my review on this. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.